Alright, so tonight we've got the 50s going on, so let me take you to see where all these 50s ladies are at. There they are, camping. Not camping, cooking.
Are you vlogging?
I am. Ladies from the 50s.
How do they talk in the talk real soft. Hello there. Hello there. Hello.
Hi. And yeah.
So we've got the crew here setting up just a little birthday party for a good friend of ours, and she chose the 50s theme tonight. So we've got just some food there going on. We've got our bartender table here with some Stella Rose and just a few tables here. Of course, we got my man Bruno Mars up here. Here we go, yeah. So this is a good place here. We are probably gonna have a lot of fun doing karaoke here tonight. So it's gonna be fun. All right, so let me take you guys outside here where I got the fire pit going on. So if you guys remember, I was planting these poles out here, and I'll show you what I've got done so far.
Live or something?
Nah, just walking and talking.
Oh, I'm about to say.
So if you guys can see, I'll turn the camera around here. These are 4x4s. Put some concrete in there. So I hung the string lights up. So in a little bit here, I'm gonna turn on these lights to give you guys an idea of what it looks like. So it's not too dark here right now. So these things will come on automatically too for as far as the light, it's a light sensor. So we'll see. Kids are having fun. They're all over the field, over there, driving the golf carts everywhere, even on the tractor, a new tractor over there. All right, guys. So it's getting dark here now. So I've got the lights turned on. Give you guys a look of what these past few days of putting the lights up and what it looks like at night. So if you can see, it's around the gate back there, but I'll give you guys a walk through here. Turn this camera around. So these are the poles that I just recently put up, and the lights all strung up around the barn. Comes through the front here with the gate, and there's some lights that goes all the way back there to the end of the driveway back there. A quick walk through here. Try not to be too shaky here. I probably need to invest in a new gimbal system here for this camera. But here are the lights strung up. I still need to put concrete. Probably another 50-pound bag concrete here to stabilize these half-barrel pots here. So it looks like here to the front of the barn. I restrung these lights, and we'll get you another view from the front looking back to the fire pit. right, so that's it. Temperature dropped down to about maybe close to 32 tonight, so real cold. And now it's like, this is great because now you can actually see who's sitting out here around the fire pit here while you're just chilling and enjoying each other's company out here. So this is it, and thanks for following, guys. And I'll give you another quick look out here. It's getting dark pretty quick here now, but I'll post up some pictures of the 50th birthday party. So due to copyright music, I'll probably not show any of the parties, but I'll give you guys some glimpse of the photos that we took. Alright guys, it's been fun, and I'll check in with you guys later.